So here we have this VASAGLE kitchen island. Now let me finish unboxing this here. Alright, there we go. I got everything laid out, and there's less than 10 parts, so this should be a pretty quick assembly. First, we're going to assemble the top, and it just has 2 of these horizontal supports with 2 screws in each one. And then we're going to do the same thing for this second shelf. Once we're done with that, we can attach the metal shelf to the bottom, and I found it easiest to start some screws on one side and then screw it in from the other side. Another quick tip that works great on the second shelf is to use some spring clamps to hold up one end while you screw in the other. Set the top on and then drive in the 4 corner screws, these 2 screws, and then these other screws here. Now, I had a bit of a problem here. I really tried to get this leveling foot in, but as you might be able to see, the threaded insert just doesn't have any threads, so unfortunately it just wasn't going to work. There we go, I got it put together, and there were less than 10 parts, so it was actually pretty simple. As you saw, I wasn't able to use these leveling feet because one of them wasn't working, which I'm not too happy about. Anyway, I do really like the look it has, and it does have a little bit of wobble, but other than that, it's pretty sturdy. And it also feels like it could hold quite a bit of weight. I also like how the top and the center shelf is one solid piece. If it was 2 pieces, it wouldn't be a deal breaker, but I honestly just have a difficult time liking the tables that are 2 separate pieces. Anyway, I think this kitchen island or workbench with its 2 shelves and nice big flat top, but I do think it could have used some short diagonal braces to help stiffen it up. Anyway, the metal grate on the bottom here is also pretty strong. They are only welded in one spot on each side, so it's not the best quality, but it's at least good enough to hold this 45-pound plate here. Would make a great addition to your kitchen or even your workshop.